Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out of WhatsApp. Unfortunately, WhatsApp does not give you the ability to log out of your account like other social media networks, but there's a workaround. Before you log out, the one thing you need to do is to back up your WhatsApp chats. To do that, open the WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you go ahead and tap on chats. Then you tap on chats backup. Now you tap on backup now. After backing up your WhatsApp, you close the app. Then on your home screen, hold the WhatsApp app and tap remove app. Then you tap delete app. So this will permanently delete the app, but you can reinstall the app in the App Store. So you go to your App Store, you type in WhatsApp. Then you click on it and you tap the install button to install the app. Once it's downloaded, you open the app, then you enter your phone number and tap done. Then WhatsApp will give you the ability to restore all of your chats. So you hit the restore button and it will allow you to restore everything, including the photos, everything on your chat. That's it, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.